To turn on the plotter in firmware mode, press and hold the left and right arrow buttons at the same time and turn the plotter on. With the down or up arrows, select yes, then enter.
The process of updating firmware is the same on all models. This procedure can only be done through a Windows computer. Please go to graphtecamerica.com, download the necessary files, including the Windows driver. Please go to our FAQ section to find out instructions on how to install the Windows driver. In this example, we will be downloading and installing the FC8600 firmware. It is recommended that the file is placed and unzipped on the desktop. It is also recommended to have the devices and printers window open and minimized to monitor the state of the driver. Turn on the plotter in firmware mode. Open up the files, open up the Send program. The first step is to browse to the location of the firmware files. In this case, it's the desktop. You will not be able to see the firmware files in the Data File Output Utility window until the files of type are changed to all files. Next, you will have to choose the output. Before doing so, please bring up the Devices and Printers window and make sure that the operating system did not create a copy of your driver. If it did, and it made that copy the active driver, choose that driver. Click on the firmware file and hit print.